Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 26th, 2024. We have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 8973. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. And the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Or boxes. See, only one single box, always a 1. Next question, dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? See, only one. Nope, 2 dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quarter boxes? I see here 1 quarter box and there quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Same for here. And my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Not true. We have here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Where you see the L shape, remember, it's mirrored, this one, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. We have more. Oh, overlook this one. Rotated the first shape, figure, structure, or construction. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Let me continue with the L shape. We have more L shapes here. Yeah, here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the S or the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. It's the same shape. Alright. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction or the Z, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about... Oh, no. And also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. You have more of this kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Well, can it be 1? We have a 1 here. So it should be 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Is connected with this box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also this box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadrat box for number 3. Okay. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Is connected with that box, so it's a 1 or a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area is supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes a little bit 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be 3. This box can be 4. So the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box will be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Alright. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box. So 2 and a 3. But we already have a 2 there, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright, and now yeah, I'm thinking these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. Yeah. Alright, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yes. Definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes and there. I think this box should be a 5. No, yeah, because it can be a 1. Can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. Okay. Then, let me see. Yeah. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 3. Let me mark those. Alright, then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me go up. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 3 or a 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 3. That box should be a 4 then. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there then. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 here. This can be 4 anymore, okay. Need a 5 here. Well. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there then. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3, and I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there then. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think, well, these two boxes can be 3, those two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 1. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Difficult. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, so 2 numbers left. In this area, for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 3. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. It's a 2 stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend. So have a great and fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow.